This method can help us answer key questions in comparative cognition, such as, do pigeons show the same puzzling failures of attention that humans do, and if so, why? The main advantage of this technique is that it can be easily implemented in the standard operant chambers that have been used by behavioral and comparative psychologists for decades.
This section described how to train pigeons to peck at stimuli in an operant chamber and accept a reward from the food hopper. At the beginning of each day's session, weigh the pigeons and place them in the operant chambers. The operant chamber is under computer control, with a temporal resolution and response time of less than 1 millisecond. Run the pre-training sessions daily and run 100 trials per session. For each trial, randomly select a stimulus element and one of the 3 keys. Then, illuminate the element on the key using a fast LED source for onset with 1 millisecond and a clear visual presentation. When the pigeon pecks at the key illuminated by the stimulus, set the stimulus to clear and the grain hopper to open for 2 to 3 seconds. Naive and less experienced pigeons may need hand shaping or auto shaping to learn to respond, but experienced pigeons will likely be very quick to peck stimuli. After 100 trials, end the session. Remove the pigeons from the chambers, weigh them, and then return them to their home cages. Between sessions, adjust the birds' food access time to maintain their running weights to 80 to 85% of their free feeding weight. Continue the pre-training.